A really embarrassing fact about me that most of you guys don't know is I was actually denied the very first time I tried to buy a home. I was 22 years old. I wasn't a loan officer in the industry. Thought I had everything together. Got a house under contract, so I was super excited. Went ahead and turned in my additional paperwork, and the loan officer calls me and says, "Hey, Brian, we got to back out of escrow." And I said, "Why?" I said, "I don't get it." He said, "Well, your dad gave you $10,000 cash and you deposited it. We can't use that." And I said, "Well, you never told me that. I told you I was getting money from my dad." I was embarrassed. I was let down. And I vowed to myself that, if I ever entered in the mortgage industry, this would never happen to any of my clients. And so a couple things that people really don't know is when you go buy a home, these three major mistakes can actually cause you to lose that home once you're in escrow. And that's why it's so important when you do buy a home, it is key that you work with a loan officer that spends that 20, 30, 40 minutes like we do here at Modern Lending to educate so that you know. So here's a couple of things you probably don't know, but I want you to think about. Don't take time off of work right before or during the home buying process. If you're hourly and you're missing those hours, guess what? It can look like you don't have a consistent work history. Also too, don't make weird deposits into your bank. If somebody or family member gives you money and they put it in the bank, there's a right way to do it that we can use those funds. Something I was never taught. And also, it's very key that you don't go out there and take on any new debt. You don't charge up any credit cards right before or during that process. It could really affect things. And guess what? They teach us everything else in school, but they don't teach us the very few things that can prevent us from buying our dream home. So if this helped you at all in your home journey, do me a favor, drop me a comment below and let me know something maybe you didn't know. Or drop me a question that maybe you have about that home buying process and I'll personally respond. So that way you don't experience that embarrassment I did the first time I bought my home.